Yes, we are looking at a Chrome plugin called AIPRM. AIPRM is an acronym for Artificial Intelligence Powered Response Manager. So using this technology, it uses AI to power chatbots, allowing them to interact with users in a human-like language. AIPRM is a Chrome extension that can be valuable tool for those looking to improve their productivity, and this extension is frequently used for SEO. While its user friendliness and interactiveness and powerful functionality can help us to drive more traffic into our website primarily, there are 50 plus prompts like creating videos or writing emails. There are a variety of stuff we are going to look at in the series of this course. So before we get started, let's see how to install this plugin, and then we are going to look at how to use each one of the prompts here. So if you click on this, it will take you to their website, and this is being used by 1000 plus brands like Disney, Adobe, Intel, Microsoft, and others. So it's the ultimate optimizer for ChatGPT, and it comes with a freemium version. So you get a free version as well as a paid version. So in this course, we'll only be looking at the free version. I won't be looking at the paid version in the scope of this course. So what you need to do here is in the link provided here, this would only work for Chrome plugin, and this course will be, the prerequisite here is you should have Chrome. So if you are using any other browser, this course is not for you. If you are using Chrome, all you need to do is go to this link, click on add to Chrome and add extension. So after adding this extension, you would get an email like this, and here you will see all the prompts that are available to you. So and before I did this, the first time I went over this, I had to, it asked me to do a couple of steps. Like I had to go to my email. So there was an email sent by AIPRM where you have to confirm your email and other stuff the first time you do it. So it will ask you to log in with your ChatGPT account, and then a confirmation email will be sent, and post closing the browser and reopening this, you would have access to this settings. So you would have like a variety of prompts here, from software engineering, software applications, SEO, SaaS, productivity, operating systems, and many more. So the thing is, we are going to try to cover the more popular ones as possible in this course. And if you are happy with the basic version of ChatGPT and you are able to get your task done, you might not like this. But if you are looking at how to optimize your existing one, not go into third-party sites, pay for prompts, this is a good use case for you. So in the next video, we are going to look at more use cases. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.